Let's imagine that we wanted to try and calculate the speed using our formula. Then we're going to need a way of discovering what the distance travelled and the time taken are for some object. Well, when we are in the lab, how do we take these measurements of the distance and the time? Well, the way that we do this is going to depend on the experiment that we're doing. Suppose, for example, that we're trying to measure the speed of a trolley that's moving down a ramp. Then in this case, we could use a ruler to measure this distance that the trolley has moved, and then use a stopwatch to measure the time it took to do so. On the other hand, if we're measuring something like the speed of an object falling, whilst we can still use a ruler to measure the distance, we have a problem with measuring the time. The problem is that when you do something like drop a ball, then it drops so fast that human error can really get in the way of trying to time how long it has been moving for. Because of this problem, we need to try and find a more accurate way to measure the time. We can use something called a light gate to measure the time, and this is how the light gate works. First of all, we measure the length of the object that we want to discover the speed of. This is the distance we're going to use in our formula.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the SnapRevise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.